Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Denise and I'm a vintage reseller and I have shops on Etsy and eBay, and I will leave the links to those in the description below. Today is, as you can see behind me, an extra special day because we have the fabulous Ryan, and she's going to be doing a vintage fashion show for us. She also happens to be my daughter. But here's the twist. These outfits were discovered at an old country auction. They were thrown in a plastic trash bag. Can you believe that? Okay, so let's dive into the treasure trove of fashion history. But before we get started, don't forget to check the description below for my links to my Etsy and my eBay channels. Okay, folks, let's let the fashion show extravaganza begin. First up is this homemade mod fab dress. Look at those psychedelic colors. There are bold yellows, greens, and pinks all swirling together in a psychedelic pattern. The neckline is a half turtleneck, right? Could you turn so we could take a look at that? The neckline is a half turtleneck, and the tails reach behind over the shoulders to the back of the dress, where you can let them lie flat or you could tie them in a bow. These tails have been reinforced with an interlining and so are less flowing than our taffeta dress. So beautiful. We have paired this, right, with a kind of a mustard yellow sandals, yeah, for a truly 1960s mod fab look. And also, this is it right here, with these Gucci vintage retro glasses. This is a Mary Hayes wool skirt. Mary Hayes was a designer in California in the 70s, and this is actually a size 13-14. Ryan is a little bit smaller than that, so we have it pinned, but you can see the really cute buttons, and some of the fuzz from this fuzzy sweater has gotten down there, but it also has pockets so you can put your hands in them. And comfortable, Rye, is this very comfortable? And we have this paired with some Stuart Weitzman above the knee tied off boots, and then also an H&M sweater from a long time ago, and then just a hat I found somewhere, can't quite remember where, but this is kind of really how you could wear this. This skirt it's a lightweight wool, and you could definitely wear it in the fall and in the winter, and that's really where it is would be best worn. Again, this is a size 13-14, and it is a Mary Hayes brown wool skirt, a designer in California. Up next is this empire waist long sleeve dress with a charming Chelsea collar. Love that collar. The bodice of this dress is made from a medium weight floral pattern with blue and yellow flowers against a white background. An empire waist dress has a high-waisted appearance. The fitted bodice ends just below the bust with a long natural emphasis on the skirt that flows below. We have paired this with some high heel suede shoes, and this is the kind of dress that I can see could be worn in the office. You could wear it during the day, or you could even keep those heels on and wear it out. This dress is a 4 to 6. It's designed for casual everyday wear, and of course you can style it any way you want. Right? If you could just turn around one more time for us. And really charming dress. And next up is a fantastic, what we called in the 70s, a peasant dress. The design is absolutely fabulous. And then down on the bottom, kind of reminds me of gunny sack dresses down here with the lace. And we've paired it, Ryan, if you want to pick that up again, we've paired it with some high-heeled Jimmy Choo boots. And they look really, really good with this. So gorgeous. This will go off the shoulder. Now, this is actually considered to be a large. Ryan is obviously very small, and if you belt it the way that we have belted this and cinch it at the waist, it really, really makes for a great look. However, if you are a large or even a medium, you can feel fantastic about wearing this. It is just lightweight cotton. The arms are nice and billowy, and so comfortable. Rye, is this comfortable? Yeah, and it is, the label has been cut out, but the only part that hasn't been cut out is it just says loungewear. So really, really beautiful. Again, this is a size large, all cotton, what we would have called back in the day a prairie dress. I guess you'd call this boho chic these days. Yeah. And next up is another homemade boho waist long sleeve dress, which is a gorgeous medium blue. The seamstress here used sew-on appliques as design details, and as you can see, the jewel neck is finished off with lace, and extending down vertically are 6 applique little flowers, and there's some scalloping also on the edges there. The wrists are also finished off with the applique flowers. Really like that. What a nice design touch. This is an empire waist dress, which in the bodice is the same material as the skirt. Now this is an easy dress to wear, and since the fabric is medium weight, you could wear it in some of the cooler months, maybe even with some tights. No. However, we have paired it with some 9 West floral heels, and then Ryan is also carrying a 9 West little white purse. And Ryan, if you could put that little belt on again, because even though this is an empire waist, I think this looked really, really great. This is a 4 to 6. This is a pretty small dress. It is designed for casual day wear, but as you can see, you could wear this to the office, and you could also dress it up for evening. I think this is one of Ryan's favorites. Really, really like this dress. I would say this is probably a 1970s dress. Short sleeve with kind of a drop scoop neckline. It is wildflowers, roses and wildflowers on a black background, and this one has pockets, and the designer on this is Risa Ann, and she is a designer, or was a designer, in New York City. I really like this pattern. It is very light, and Ryan is small, so we've used a belt on this. But if you don't want to use a belt on this, and if you're a little bit larger, there you go. See how that really is just a really nice shift dress. Very, very comfortable. And we've paired it with some pretty fun and funky black platform heels. And Ryan is also carrying a Michael's Kors red bag to match. So, Rye, do you like this one, huh?
Yeah, super light, super comfortable. You can put a belt on it, but the pockets are great. I love the pockets. And it's just easy to wear.
Good summer dress.
Heck yeah.
And up next is a homemade short sleeve boho summer dress with a jewel collar. This is an easy, comfy dress made of medium weight cotton with a blue, white, and yellow floral design on a medium blue background. This is the perfect dress to wear on a sunny summer's day. Not a serious dress, but this is super well made by the seamstress who made this. Now we have paired this, here are my notes there, we've paired this with some fun high heel fringed sandals, they're brown, and then also we have as an accessory a really great teal colored Kate Spade purse. This dress is probably a size 4 to 6. Very comfortable. It's best worn in the summer, and this dress really radiates playfulness rather than seriousness. This, like I said, there's not a lot of room in this dress like some of the other ones that we've talked about today, but this is a really cute dress for a nice summer's day, paired with Kate Spade and a little bit of fringe. Up next are these fabulous 1970s wool checked slacks. These are amazing and one of Ryan's absolute favorites. These were made by Peck & Peck, distributed by Peck & Peck in New York City, and these are just absolutely amazing. Now there is just a flat front with 2 buttons, and as you can see, the pattern is just classic 1970s. There's cuffs on the bottom, and we have paired these with a pair of orange heels. So when you take a turn around, you'll also be able to see how chic these are. And these are just really amazing. Having fun with those sunglasses. These are probably a 2 to a 4. Yeah, they're pretty small. And just absolutely gorgeous. There's some darts here in the back. And Ryan, are these one of your favorites?
Yeah, I love. They're tight up here. I was more tight up here, but then so comfortable, so straight here that you don't feel kind of like squished, you know, when you're walking.
And they're not itchy. We have a 1960s flower power shift dress. This light cotton dress exudes an innocence, a homemade innocence and charm, yet simultaneously carries a touch of chic elegance. Look at that gorgeous bow tie in the back. Evident is the flower power design of the 1960s. Above all, this prioritizes comfort, making it the perfect choice, and it radiates playfulness, and rather than being terribly serious, as we can see. All right, so we have paired this with a little more serious pair of Stuart Weitzman heels, right? You can pick up your feet there. And these are really nice heels. You can picture it also paired with ankle strap sandals and a charming silver bracelet. Maybe your hair tied up in a ponytail. Designed for casual, everyday wear, this dress is intended to be worn during the daytime rather than in the evening. And this dress is a size 6 to 8. Okay, well, we have been shooting for 4 hours. You've been a great sport. Tried everything on, and I guess I'm gonna plug my Etsy and my eBay stores, because all of these outfits, the dresses, these slacks, if Ryan doesn't end up taking them home, and everything that we photographed here will be available up on my Etsy and my eBay store. Now, if you see them and you're watching this on YouTube or any other venue, just direct message me, and if you're interested in purchasing any of these, and We had such a good time.
That's
You did a
awesome.
great job.
Heck yeah.
Now, what do you think about what was your favorite thing?
Definitely these pants.
Yeah.
I love these pants. That or the
This dress?
the big billowing
Yeah,
dress.
yeah. This
So
was
pretty.
kind of the sleeper of the day.
Yes.
It doesn't look. It's one of those things.
It doesn't look like anything
on the hanger. You wouldn't guess it. You really wouldn't. So, well, I guess that's it for now. We're in our little makeshift studio here. It was kind of a raggedy tag little effort here, but you did a great job, sweetheart. I really appreciate it. And I would also appreciate, both of us would.
Yes.
A subscribe.
A like, a comment, a dislike.
Well,
I'll take a dislike.
anything.
I'll take a dislike. It's interaction.
Yeah, interaction.
You hated the pants.
You hated the pants. Yeah, exactly. So, all right, folks. Well, we really appreciate your time and your attention. Hope you enjoyed our little fashion show, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye.